Hi, I'm Tessa from Love Notions, and we are so excited because we're here at Puyallup, Washington at the Sew Expo, and it's one of the biggest garment sewing expos in the nation. And we're so excited to be here along with lots of other vendors who have patterns and fabric and notions and tons of stuff. And so I wanted to show you a little bit of an inside scoop into our booth. And I know a lot of you couldn't be here for this weekend, but maybe you want to see what we've got going on. So let me give you the little tour. But first, before we get there, I gotta show you what I'm wearing today. I had the hardest time deciding. I am wearing the Opus vest and my lovely rayon challis caprice skirt. Katie actually sewed this for us last year, and I just love it, and it's just so comfy. And a little secret, I am wearing leggings underneath just to keep me warm, and I will be changing into moccasins later as well. One of the things that we're bringing to the floor here at the fair is our digital patterns. We put all of our digital patterns on a $6 sale. That's usually our Feature Friday price, but we're just giving everybody a great deal for this weekend. And so they can grab a card and come up to our checkout, and we'll put it right onto their account for them. Each of the cards, they're so cute. Each of the card has a line drawing, the sample picture, a QR code, and then just like all the details about the pattern so that they can get a really good picture of what's included. Sometimes with a digital product, it's hard to know what you're getting at the end of the day, but we want to make sure people understand that they're getting a really great value, 3 different ways to access the pattern, and all the goodies that come with digital pattern sewing. Go further into the booth, I wanted to show you the other section that we have here, and that is a whole bunch of our favorite sewn garments. We've got everything lined up here, and I will be honest that we've been pulling from this rack to put things on when we're like filming things or when we get cold or whatever. So this has been really, really handy, and I think people really like to see a sewn garment and not just have like the postcard or whatever. They want to be able to see what you can actually make. Over on this side of the booth, we have all of some more of our sewn garments, and we've included the tag so that people can see what this started as and what it turned into. One of our favorite pieces here is the clear water swim essentials. This whole collection is incredible, and it actually is a class that Katie's going to be teaching later this week, and it was one of the first classes to sell out, and Sew Expo contacted us to get more on the schedule, and we just couldn't. And I think there's going to be a lot of people who are excited to sew swim this year, especially with the help of the course and Katie's class. Okay, so moving right along, we have another little section here. These Kylie in the Machine labels are one of my favorite things to put inside of a garment. I think people are gonna love these. My personal favorite label is right here, and it's this cute one that says handmade. I have put this in so many different garments. Another really fun thing that we have is our lookbooks. I've separated them out into kids wear, men's wear, and then printed patterns. And so I think being able to like look through all of the options that we have at Love Notions is going to be a huge help for a lot of people that are more visual. These lookbooks have the modeled picture, the line drawing, the measurement guide, and the fabric requirements. And this is also something that's available for purchase on the Love Notions website right now. You can find it under the sales section. Great deal for this weekend for only our Sew Expo customers is that all of our courses are going to be $10 off. So we have courses that help you through each one of our patterns that just walk you through everything from sizing to fabric selection to sewing every single step of the garment. And people love these courses and feel so confident when they are able to use the course along with their sewing. And it keeps people from keeping the pattern just in their downloads folder, and it helps them actually use the pattern. So if you haven't looked into a course yet, I highly suggest taking one. One of our biggest draws here at the expo is going to be our printed pattern collection. We have a little under 20 printed patterns, and what I love about these printed patterns is that there is no download necessary, no printing, and no taping at all. So you're able to get every single part of this pattern, every size, every option, and they're all on these amazing full sheets that you can use for yourself. You can use it with like STP tracing paper, or you can cut right into the pattern itself. And it's got an amazing instructional booklet. And if you're trying to be a little less digital right now and be a little more hands-on and analog, this is exactly what you're gonna love to sew with. Another fun part, the last but not least section of our booth here is some of our favorite notions. So these are things that me and Tammy picked out that we find the most useful when sewing garments especially. And so we kind of assign them like a pattern that works really well with them, and just kind of gave some of our personal opinions about things that we love to sew with, because we are, after all, Love Notions, and that's where the name came from. With Love Notions, Tammy loves to have a great sewing notion. So if you are in Washington, make sure that you stop by and come and see us. We are right next to Amanda's Bundles. Katie, let's see Amanda's Bundles. She has an incredible setup here, so lots and lots of fabric to choose from, and a lot of things that go really well with a Love Notions pattern. So come and see us, and we can't wait to continue sewing with you. Bye.
Good morning. I am coming to you from the Sew Expo in Puyallup, Washington. This is our second year having a booth here, and I thought it was only appropriate that I wear the Vivache. This is the tunic length in the woven. I believe this fabric was from Style Maker. It is kind of a cool quilter's cotton, not even a quilter's cotton, but it's got like a texture to it. It's pretty cool. It's perfect for this little easy breezy outfit I've got for hopefully a very busy day at Sew Expo. And it's also available in printed. So we have our print pattern here at the Vivache, and we've got this for free shipping today for our Feature Friday sale. And if you want the digital version, it is our $6 sale like usual.